Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to embed a Twitter feed or any other kind of feed into your Google Sites website. My name is Tyler Osborne. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is have a Google Sites website. So if you haven't created a site yet, you do so from your Google Drive, go to New, down to More, and then there's Google Sites right there. It'll open a site that looks a lot like this. To make sure it saves, all I did was give it a name, and I just called mine Test Site. Now, to embed any kind of feed, what you need is the embed code, because we're going to be cutting and pasting that into the actual web page. So I wanted to demonstrate Twitter, but you can embed just about any website that has this embed share. So to start, what you need to do is go into the website that you want to go share, and I want to share my Twitter feed, so I need my actual Twitter site. So it's twitter.com, and for me, it's /Mr. T Osborne. And I'm going to copy that. Then all I did to find this website was I just searched for Twitter embed. And what I got was publish.twitter.com. And you just paste your URL right there. And then you press the next button. And then next it's going to give you some different options. Like if you want to have people tweet right from your website, you can do that. Or if you want to embed the timeline, which is what I want to do, you click on Embed Timeline. And that's all that it needs, and you just copy the code. And it's pretty easy like that. It does give you that preview of what it would look like, and then we can go back to our Google Sites website. So now I'm going to actually put the embedded timeline into my website. So to do that, I'm going to go into the Insert menu, and then right here there's Embed, and I press that once. And I'm going to paste it right there. Oh, sorry, paste it right there. I tried pasting it into the URL, and this wasn't a URL, this is an embed code. So there's my embed code right there, and if I press next, it's going to give me a little preview of what it's going to look like, and then I can press insert so that I make sure that I have what I want. And that's it. When you publish this website, I'll go to preview. People will be able to see your Twitter timeline, and they'll be able to scroll through it, just like that. So other places I've seen this used really effectively is if you want to embed video from something other than YouTube. If you wanted to use the embed code for reminds, that would also work as well. So that's really all you need to know about how to embed a feed into your Google Sites website. Thanks for watching.